This is Arizona Bird Store. Take a look at this insane collection of exotic birds. Arizona Bird Store is located in Mesa, Arizona, on Dobson Road between Southern and Broadway. Arizona Bird Store has many types of exotic birds for sale, including cuddly cockatoos, African greys, a variety of macaws, and playful Amazon parrots, and smaller birds like parakeets, lovebirds, cockatiels, conures, and various finches and canaries. Arizona Bird Store has baby birds that we hand feed to help ensure they're tame. Exotic birds are highly intelligent and need toys to keep them entertained. Just look at this amazing selection of toys. Did you know we have boarding? You can let us take care of your special friend while you're on vacation or work trips. Another service is professional grooming for your bird, both in-store or in your home. We even provide DNA testing and microchipping. If you're looking for a bird cage, we have a size for every bird, from small to giant. There's also a selection of play stands. And of course, all birds need to eat. Arizona Bird Store has pre-packaged bird food in every size, including seeds and pellets, as well as bulk bins of bird food. You'll also find a variety of bird supplies and supplements. You'll enjoy browsing our vast selection, and you never know what you'll find when you walk in the door. So fly on in, check things out, and say hello at Arizona Bird Store.